Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2004 TrailBlazer. The Chevy TrailBlazer is among the best of the truck-based midsize SUVs. It's capable of hauling heavy loads and negotiating rugged off-road terrain. Yet it's also smooth, comfortable, and civilized. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, daytime running lights, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, power steering, tachometer, center console. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.